Rollers and brushes have their place. But if you want a flawless professional finish in half the time, a paint sprayer is the tool that changes everything. The problem? There are hundreds of options and most of them are a waste of money. I tested 5 of the best paint sprayers of 2026 so you can skip the guesswork and get straight to spraying. If you're new to Unbox Daily, we test this stuff so you don't waste your money on the stuff that doesn't work. Hit subscribe right now. We drop new picks every week and you'll definitely want to be here for what's coming next. The HomeRight. Super Finish Max has been a fan favorite in the DIY community for years. And in 2026, it still holds its own as one of the most versatile HVLP sprayers you can buy. This sprayer handles a massive range of materials: latex paint, chalk paint, stains, varnish, lacquer, and more, without constantly thinning your material down to nothing. The 450-watt motor delivers solid, consistent airflow, and the adjustable spray pattern, horizontal, vertical, and round, gives you real control over the finish. The brass air cap and needle resist wear and keep the spray consistent over time. Cleanup is straightforward. The canister holds plenty of material for large projects, and the ergonomic design means your hand won't cramp up mid-wall. Whether you're refinishing furniture, painting cabinets, or tackling an exterior fence, the Super Finish Max handles it all with ease. For a home DIYer who wants professional-looking results, this is the one to beat, the HomeRight Super. Finish Max is one of those tools that pays for itself on the first project. Check the description for today's price. It's linked right below and the deal is genuinely hard to ignore. The LUDERIGNITE electric HVLP spray paint gun is a newer name making serious noise in 2026, and for good reason. This sprayer punches well above its price point, with a powerful 700-watt motor that handles thicker materials without losing spray consistency. The adjustable flow control knob gives you precision over material output, and the 3 spray pattern settings, horizontal, vertical, and circular, cover virtually every surface type. The detachable 1,000 milliliter container is larger than most competitors at this price, meaning fewer refills on bigger jobs. The noise-reduced motor design is noticeably quieter than older HVLP models, which makes extended painting sessions far less fatiguing. Cleaning is simple. The components disassemble quickly and rinse out easily. For anyone tackling home renovation projects, furniture flips, or even small automotive touch-ups, the LUDERIGNITE delivers a smooth, even finish that looks like it came from a professional setup. A genuinely impressive sprayer at a genuinely fair price. The LUDERIGNITE is turning heads for good reason, and when you see the price in the description, you'll understand the hype. Grab the link below and check today's deal before it moves. This one is worth it. The VONFORN paint sprayer is the pick for anyone who wants maximum versatility without a complicated setup. This electric HVLP sprayer features a 700-watt motor, 3 spray patterns, and an adjustable flow control valve that lets you dial in the perfect output for whatever material you're working with. The 1,200 milliliter large capacity container means you're stopping less and painting more. A genuine productivity booster on large walls or outdoor surfaces. What makes the VONFORN stand out is how beginner-friendly it is. The controls are intuitive, the spray is consistent right out of the box, and the included cleaning kit makes maintenance completely painless. It handles latex paint, wood stains, sealers, and varnishes without breaking a sweat. The flexible design also allows for painting at a variety of angles without the gun sputtering or losing pressure. For homeowners, tackling weekend projects, or first-time sprayer users who want great results fast, the VONFORN is a seriously capable and approachable tool. VONFORN packed a lot into a very fair price. And you'll see exactly what I mean when you check the description link below. Go grab today's deal and tell me in the comments what project you're planning to use it on. The Rust-Oleum 241526 takes a completely different approach, and for certain jobs, it's the smartest tool on this entire list. This is a spray shelter and paint station combo, not a sprayer itself. But pair it with any spray gun, and it transforms your workspace entirely. The collapsible design sets up in minutes and creates a contained spray environment that protects your surroundings from overspray, keeps dust off your wet finish, and lets you spray indoors without turning your garage or workshop into a paint disaster. The turntable platform spins your project for easy access from all angles, and the whole thing packs flat for easy storage. For furniture painters, crafters, or anyone doing detailed spray work on smaller items, the Rust-Oleum spray shelter is an absolute game changer. It's the accessory that makes every sprayer on this list work better. If you're serious about clean results and a clean workspace, this is a no-brainer addition to your painting setup. The Rust-Oleum 241526 is the kind of buy that makes you wonder how you ever sprayed without it. Link is in the description. Check the current price and add it to your setup today. Your workspace will thank you. Closing out the list with the ENDOZER Professional HVLP spray gun. And this one is built for users who want contractor-grade performance without the contractor-grade price tag. The ENDOZER features a gravity feed design with a stainless steel needle and nozzle, delivering an exceptionally fine, even atomization that produces glass smooth finishes on cabinets, furniture, and automotive surfaces. The brass air cap provides consistent air pressure distribution, reducing overspray and material waste significantly. The 600 milliliter gravity cup keeps the weight balanced for comfortable extended use, and the adjustable fluid, fan, and air control knobs give you full command over the spray output. This gun connects to a standard air compressor, making it ideal for users who already have a compressor setup and want to step up their finish quality dramatically. The build quality is professional, heavy, precise, and built to last through serious projects. For woodworkers, auto enthusiasts, and professional finishers, the ENDOZER is a genuinely serious tool. If you're ready to level up to professional grade finishes, the ENDOZER is where you start that conversation. Check the description for the link and today's pricing. And if you've got a compressor already sitting in the garage, this is your sign to use it. Before we wrap, if this video just saved you from a bad purchase or helped you finally pick the right sprayer, tap that subscribe button. It genuinely keeps us going and means we can keep making videos exactly like this one. We appreciate you. All 5 links are sitting in the description. Go check prices because they shift fast. If this helped you find the right sprayer, drop a like and subscribe to Unbox Daily for honest reviews and unboxings every single week. See you in the next one.